Hi friends, welcome to K and VR Tech channel. Now we are going to discuss about the Hello World program in C. Look at this. This is the code for Hello World program. And now first hash include stdio.h. This is the header file. Header file means it contains different files of C that we use in this program. Okay. We are going to use some files which are present in stdio.h header file in this program. Okay. When come to next part, main function. Our program actually starts execution from main function onwards. Whatever code we write in this program under main function, those will execute. Okay. Now in this declaration, we are declaring here. It is the declaration part. After main we have declaration part. We have nothing to declare because we are just printing a message in the printf. Printf is a function. It's not just a statement or something else. It is a function to return something which we write in the printf arguments, which we pass to printf function as argument. It will just print to our screen. Okay. And we are closing that printf statement by this semicolon. We should close this with a semicolon because printf function has stopped its working. Okay. And when we came to return statement, in return we have returning 0. When we have to return 0, if we declare it as a int, then we should return it as 0, or else if it is a void, just return and close the statement without 0, because main is a function, it has something to return. If we mention void means it has nothing to return. If it has int mean it will return some integer value. We can write 0, 1, 2, something else. Okay. If we write a float, we can write float also, it will return float type. Then we have to write 0.0f something, but it is mandatory because we can write different statements in a single line in C program. Look at this example. Now I am declaring a variable called a and I am initializing it with 0, and I am declaring another variable b. Here I am assigning b to a. Okay. We can write this as this way also. These two are same, but while we writing this, there is a difference. Both are same. If we declare like this also, it is correct. If we declare like this also, it is correct. To differentiate this statement and this statement, we use this semicolon. Okay. That's it.